welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to color my hair green. So this is what my before looks like. I do have some blonde tips, as in the color's gone really low because it's been over a year that I've not pre-lightened my hair. And yeah, you can see it's really dark. I want to lift my hair to almost a level 8 so that it's yellow, and then if I'm gonna put this capri blue color and peacock blue, it's gonna make 2 shades of green. This one is gonna turn like a bluish green. I hope this is very less, so we're gonna just use it to add some dimension. I have one more capri blue, but I'm not so sure if I want so much of blue. Then this is a peacock blue, which is gonna be the main color. This one I am expecting to turn out a shade like this, and then there's canary yellow, which is almost over. There is hardly any product left right now, but I'm gonna use this up as well. 3 shades so that we have some fun and movement and dimension and beauty. We'll see how that goes. First of all, I want to pre-lighten my hair, for which I'm pretty scared for the you know, like the result of the pre-lightening is not even. That is scary, dude. Pre-lightening your own hair, I don't know how people do it, but I have been seeing Brad's channel. I've been binging him so much that I can't stop doing this. Brad, I love you if you're seeing this.
I am just hoping that the bleach comes out pretty even. I'm not even expecting it to be the same shade, but it should be more or less the same shade. And we're gonna see to fix it with using like a bluer shade where it's more yellow and a greener shade where it's more light, so that it neutralizes, if you know what I'm trying to say. Because yellow will get mixed with the blue and make green, and green with a lighter shade will make green, will remain green. So I'm sorry if this confused you, but it's actually very simple if you see.
If you have hair like this, which is, you know, naturally dark, or a shade of brown, first of all you'll have to pre-lighten it in order to achieve blonde, on which you can put crazy colors. If you put green on top of your dark hair, it's not gonna turn out at all. So make sure that you pre-lighten it, or if you have blonde from the previous hair color, you can just put it on your blonde hair. It will show up. Now I'm gonna start with a step 1, which is pre-lightening the hair, the most difficult step. Second step is gonna be really easy, just painting your hair, which is yummy. Talking about the pre-lightening, I'm using the Streaks Professional Blonder Powder. I really like the way this lifts my hair. And with that, I'm gonna use the Streaks Argan Secrets Developer. This is 30 volume. If you have really pitch black or really dark hair, then only I'll recommend you to go with a 40 volume, or else try to stay away from 40 volume. I'm gonna mix 30 volume and blonder until I get a consistency which I like to work with. So I don't really measure my blonder and my developer. I like to bring a proper consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna mix these two. I'm gonna add a Smart Bond step 1, and I'll be right back. I just realized that I don't have my size of gloves, and these ones I know are really big, but I have to make them work. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the consistency that I've bought, and this is so freaking beautiful. I'm going to add a little bit more of pre-lightener because I'm going to put the product in the foils, but just look at how beautiful this looks. Oh my goodness, I'm going to die. I just added 4 ml of Smart Bond in this, and my pre-lightener is ready to go into my hair. Okay, so I've sectioned my hair and have foils with me here. I know these are not a lot. I'm gonna get more if I need. For now, I think we are good to go. Let's start. Every single hair is saturated, and I'm only using strokes like this because I'm not going to use this, because this will just give a stark line and I don't want that. So I'm going to use these strokes. मैं पहली बार खुद फ्री लाइटनिंग कर रही हूँ अपने बाल. Okay, so I'm done with the behind section, and I've placed these many foils. So I have the behind section of my right side done. I'm gonna repeat the same thing throughout, and be right back. Hi. So I am done putting all the foils in my hair. This is how it looks like. Is my leg coming? Okay. Okay, this is my leg. So yeah, I have all the foils in my hair. I know it's a pretty messy application, but I have gone with small sections so that I get an even lift. I am trying my best to make this work, but let's see what happens. And this is how it looks like right now. Look at this. Look at all of this. And there's more behind. Oh my god. Okay, so I've left this on for almost 30 minutes, and a few foils just came off from here. So it's done now. I think it's almost processed. I'm gonna wash this off now, and I'm gonna do the Smart Bond step 2. After which I'm gonna come here to color my hair green. Who is she? Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. The blending is not the best, but I think it's gonna look decent once I have the colors on. Definitely these are really light because this is where I had already, you know, pre-lightened ends. Also I got a little sharp line over here. It was pretty stark over here, so I've given some vertical strokes of pre-light. Now by the time it processes a little, I'm gonna go with my yellow, and I'm gonna take my gloves. Okay, so I'm gonna start with yellow crazy color. This one is called Canary Yellow, and I'm gonna now I'm gonna start with putting this yellow everywhere where my hair is gone extra light. This is something I'll consider medium, so I'm not gonna put any yellow over here. So do you see these lighter pieces? I'm gonna put yellow on this. I'm going to section my hair, and I'm going to take this crazy color in the shade Peacock Blue. I'm going to put this now because this is very blue and my hair is yellow. It's gonna make a shade of green. I've ever seen. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think it's gonna make a really pretty shade of green. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the rest of my hair. My gloves look blue, this looks green, and this is blonde. I don't like this brassy blonde. I like cool tones blonde. But yeah, I'm so happy with the type of shade that I'm getting. I'm so excited to see how it turns out when I dry my hair. So I'm gonna quickly style my hair and be back. This is my new hair. I am so happy with the way this turned out. One major thing that I was scared of was to have, you know, like a demarcation over here. Luckily I don't really have one. I mean, yeah, it's not the best blend ever, but it's not bad either. So I went to sleep, and I just let my hair dry. My nails were stained like anything, so I got my nail extensions removed, and these are my natural nails right now. So yeah, I am not mad at it. I think it looks cool, and the shade of green is pretty similar to what I had expected. Wait. just look at this. It looks like I've matched my hair color to this, but yeah, I somewhat did. Yeah, this is my final look, and I really love it. It took me, you know, like some time to register that okay, I am no more brown, I don't have blonde anymore. This green is not a wig, it's my own hair, and I love it. And yeah, I want to know what do you think about this look in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos from me. Thank you so much for joining in. Bye.